Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is a game changer for those seeking an exhilarating ride combined with practicality. With its robust 1800W peak motor, this bike not only promises impressive speed but also ensures a smooth and efficient ride. The motor power allows for quick acceleration, effortlessly handling steep hills and rough terrain, making it an ideal choice for both city commuting and adventurous off-road excursions. One of the standout features of the Aipas M1 Pro is its impressive battery life. The bike is equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that provides a significant range per charge, reaching up to 60 miles depending on riding conditions. This means fewer interruptions to recharge and more time enjoying the ride. The battery is also removable, which adds convenience for charging at home or in the office. The frame design is sturdy yet lightweight, crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, which enhances durability without compromising on portability. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars provide a comfortable riding position, accommodating a wide range of rider heights. The bike's suspension system plays a crucial role in delivering a smooth ride, effectively absorbing shocks encountered on rugged paths. Safety features are not overlooked, as the Aipas M1 Pro comes with front and rear disc brakes that ensure reliable stopping power even at high speeds. The bright LED lights enhance visibility during night rides, allowing for safer navigation in low-light conditions. In terms of technology, the bike is equipped with a smart LCD display that provides real-time data on speed, distance traveled, and battery life. This feature keeps riders informed and helps plan trips efficiently. Overall, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is a well-rounded choice for anyone in the market for an electric bike. Its powerful motor, excellent battery life, and robust build quality make it an enticing option for both daily commuting and recreational rides, offering a seamless blend of performance and comfort.